another one from the Cook with M&S cookbook. It's our Korean barbecue shiitake mushroom tacos. This is a brilliant veggie dish, but it's also delicious with chicken, fish or prawns using our Cook with M&S Korean paste on with the tacos. The recipe book calls for tacos. Any tortilla or wrap works perfectly well for this. I couldn't get shiitake, so I've gone for white mushrooms. So I've sliced the mushrooms, going to saute them off for 4 or 5 minutes. Slice the onion, slice the red pepper, chuck it in, and give that a couple of minutes. Time to add our Cook with M&S Korean barbecue paste, 3/4 of that go in. Give it a really good stir. Just adding the remainder of that Korean paste into the sour cream. Perfect little sauce for our barbecue mushroom tacos. Time to build our tacos. We've got the veg mix, a handful of crispy iceberg lettuce, delicious sour cream sauce, and then a little bit of coriander and a few little radishes for a little bit of crunch. So there you go, my Korean barbecue mushroom tacos from the Cook with M&S cookbook, a proper family sharer. That is how I cook with M&S. Recipe on screen now, over to you, or in this case, over to me. Delicious, you're gonna love this one.